You're outside, soaking up the lovely weather when you suddenly feel a mosquito landing on your skin, enjoying a little blood feast, and leaving you with an itchy reminder of their visit. That'll surely be a reminder of their visit for days to come. When it comes to avoiding mosquito bites, you have two options: prevention or protection. Prevention means taking steps to avoid being bitten in the first place. Protection means taking steps to avoid the consequences of a bite. Let's start with prevention. 1. Show a step-by-step guide on how to avoid mosquito bites by example. If you're outside and see a mosquito, try to get out of that area as fast as you can. Walk briskly to avoid giving the mosquito time to land on you. If you're at a park, head to the pavilion or playground where there are less trees and plants. Mosquitoes love to hide in tall grasses and bushes where they can be camouflaged from predators like birds. So it's best to stay on the path and avoid the tall grass. Also, avoid areas with a lot of standing water where mosquitoes can lay their eggs. 2. Wear long-sleeve shirts and pants when you're outside. This will reduce the amount of exposed skin, making it harder for mosquitoes to find you. Choose light-colored clothing since mosquitoes are attracted to darker colors. Make sure your clothing is also loose-fitting since mosquitoes are attracted to sweat. 3. Use an insect repellent. There are many different types of insect repellents available, both natural and store-bought. When you're out and about, some of the most popular bug sprays you'll find have DEET or picaridin in them. Just remember to check the label. Okay, reapply when you need to, so those pesky bugs don't ruin your fun. Some common household items that naturally repel mosquitoes include citronella, lemon eucalyptus oil, and catnip oil. Now let's talk about protection. 1. Mosquito nets. Using a mosquito net while you sleep is one of the best ways to prevent mosquito bites at home. Nets can be set up over beds or cradles to create a physical barrier between you and mosquitoes. Be sure that the screen is in good repair and that there are no holes or tears. If you don't have window screens, you can use a fan to keep mosquitoes away. Mosquitoes are weak flyers, and the moving air from a fan will make it difficult for them to fly. And 3. Eliminate standing water around your home. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so it's important to eliminate any sources of standing water around your home. This includes water in flower pots, tires, buckets, and I really hope these tips help you dodge those pesky mosquito bites, help you avoid mosquito bites. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below with your best tip for avoiding mosquito bites. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a happy and healthy day.